por ka Phasi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka step jong ka arpulai terik uyayong arjar penriau. La lap ya kawi ka Metïap halai mer opar shelong ka bahab hanong se block 8. Kani ka Metïap ka dan kamat dukan hajan ka State Bank of India. Udan utalai Ryndang jong uniu brio. Henry kiriu pai ba kim ilanget bakan day ka jing Phasi. Namar ba ka met kani dasyong halor jong ka jing hangiet. Bat ka keti jong uniu brio pat ka bad yung nar ubakir banya lenti. Ki nong ilam sinong kila pentep sa kipulet bantokit banya yakani. Namar bahadu mentah kim patep ude ubrio ubanai. Kam hadin katu kani por kipulet kilawan poi hakani ka jaka.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot ikasnong nongi kwayo sngo bahan ikasnong de lakot kalayat dikila pen sngo hinasnong ikimat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ruki donhi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban permi ki kam ki jam jong ki bre jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project bi ki don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki ba yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni hakajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that, ka shulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namar ba ka ka ba phi amnot ngiru hang ni Shuaban take up yung ganun project. Hindi ban suto bakla. Habang yung warra yaki investment. Habang yung warra yaki bakum kinigi project. Ngeit yung nga opi kabakado kajing mantoy. Kanlong yung ngiki konsama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.